The MSP Playbook provides the guidelines and resources necessary to establish a managed service business. Both existing managed service providers and new organizations establishing managed services as a new business unit can benefit from this guide. This process document aims to accelerate time to market by focusing on business and technical aspects. What is managed service provider? MSP provide a remotely managed technical infrastructure of their customers as IT solution partners. In addition to proactive management of end-user systems, MSP services can also include subscription-based management. The MSP monitors services, firewalls, Exchange servers, routers and switches, and Active Directory servers from a centralized console. The Modern MSP provides recurring revenue as part of their business model. Over 80% of MSPs rely on recurring revenue. In business, recurring revenue refers to income that is expected to continue. 56% of MSPs specialize in a specific vertical: healthcare, finance, legal, nonprofit, and manufacturing are the most commonly used verticals. Approximately 44% of the MSPs report marketing sales as their biggest problem, followed by work-life balance, provides top-of-the-line business continuity and disaster recovery solutions, since cybersecurity threats are top of mind for SMBs. Business model for MSPs focus on learning their customer processes, goals, and challenges, and translating that into a solution that simplifies their operations. Data-driven approach: create, flow, analyze, and use data. A modern MSP will offer privacy practices to differentiate themselves. What are the benefits of an MSP model for the end customer? MSP consistently monitor and manage their networks. Using remote access, MSPs can fix problems on the spot. Contact one person for all issues, keeping data secure and easy when new threats emerge. Budgeting IT services is easy, especially if there is a recurring revenue customers. MSPs provide flexible billing models on a monthly or annual basis. What technology does a typical MSP use? Cloud. MSPs continue to prioritize cloud services as more and more businesses orient their business technology around them. Companies can streamline their efforts, collaborate effectively, and protect valuable information with the help of cloud technology. 94% of companies are utilizing cloud technology. By 2025, it is expected that the cloud managed services market will reach about $82.5 billion. 60% of the MSPs cite cloud as SaaS application as important technology trends to their business. SaaS backups provide essential protection for more clients using cloud-based productivity software such as an Office 365 and Google Workspace. One of the fastest growing offerings for MSP is cloud and SaaS protection. Protecting your data. Malware and ransomware have become everyday concern, so it's best to look everywhere. Since the attacks occur every day, it is essential to provide your customers with the best cloud technologies available. As these technologies evolve, businesses produce more sensitive data than ever before to stay on top of the malware curve and keep their information secure. MSPs need to take security very seriously due to these looming threats. Antivirus is considered the most critical security solution by 82% of MSPs. followed by advanced firewalls and remote monitoring and management. A hacker attack occurs every 39 seconds on average. 60% of small businesses fail after a data breach. 44% of businesses estimate that just 1 hour of downtime could cost them about $10,000 or more. 1 every 323 emails sent to businesses is malicious. Human errors is responsible for 95% of cybersecurity breaches. Getting connected. It is relatively new to sell networking services on a subscription basis. More and more customers are moving their workload to the cloud, which is credited with networking as a service. Subscriptions revenue from network vendors could reach 50% by 2025. At least 30% of the total revenue. Networking as a service can provide end users with more flexibility and performance gains in their network infrastructure. Products, network design, and installation are all included in the monthly fee. A lifetime warranty is offered on products, and customers can upgrade whenever necessary. Additionally, customers can avoid investing capital upfront. Wi-Fi-based products enable businesses to gather valuable information and data about their customers. Combining these features with Wi-Fi allow MSPs to pitch networking as a revenue generator than as an expense. An MSP and how to become one. Managing services for your customers, it's not the only way to become successful managed business service provider. Anyone can do it. To succeed as an MSP, you have to follow these 4 steps. Developing MSP services. Establish what specific technical services you will offer and how they will be bundled together. Although you may perform a wide range of specialized services, it is essential to determine which will generate the most business at the highest profit margin. Ask yourself the following questions to narrow down your offerings. Which technical areas are your strongest? What type of services do you find easiest to train your existing employees and find the new ones for you? Is it necessary to purchase specialized hardware or software to offer certain services that you don't already own? What types of businesses flourish in your area? A top MSP will specialize in a few markets to distinguish themselves from the competition. Choose a business management solution. To automate and power your business, you will need tools. Most MSPs use the following 2 mechanisms. Remote monitoring and management, RMM. You can use these tools to automate essential tasks on the client side and fix client issues without spending time on site. Professional services automation, PSAs. The tools improve your business productivity by improving client handling, reducing errors, and automating billing and reports. PSAs are usually integrated with ticketing system, another crucial tool. Managed service providers, MSPs, can follow various pricing models and strategies. These are some of the more popular and valuable models. All-you-can-eat ones. In the past few years, many MSPs have moved away from break-fix model following all-you-can-eat model, which is based on a flat monthly covering remote and on-site support. Simple pricing structure are attractive to customers who want to avoid complex pricing structure. Additionally, it helps people who want to know what they are getting for their money. The all-you-can-eat pricing can be set as follows. Fee per device. It is a flat monthly fee per supported device. You and your customer benefit from this model since it reflects the amount of work performed over time. MSPs often charge one rate for endpoint and another for servers. Fee per user. Each user pays a flat monthly fee. Since individuals users typically access both endpoints and servers, this pricing includes both. Consider the type of company you are working with when choosing a pricing model. Both models are viable for tech-focused companies. Per device and per user pricing often produce similar revenue. For companies in other industries such as manufacturing, charging per device is often a more sensible approach. If you charge per user, you will have less revenue because some employees do not use computers every day. This is determined by your cost of service, your desired profit margin, and your current market influences. Bundling solutions and services into tiers of MSP is a popular pricing strategy. Best practices for selling managed services as a managed service provider. The billing statement. Have a cost model that supports your business model. Develop a recurring revenue stream. Prepaid billing is required. Take into account the service aspect. You are selling services rather than product here, which is your most profitable area. Explain IT terms simply. Most customers would not understand technical terms. Explain products and services. Offerings should be priced fairly. Ensure that your cost is in the line with the quality of service you aim for. Provide pricing based on customer needs. You are not required to offer the same price for everyone. As your customers' headcount grow, so does your fee. Shoot for higher margin. To give yourself a cushion, aim for 60 to 70% markup. Your customers want trustworthy business partner. It's not a race to the bottom. Set a minimum fee. If you charge too little, you cannot provide them a proper service. Instead of a la carte pricing, offer pricing for a total solution. Pricing can be charged as needed. Get your first customer. MSP customers can be found in several ways. Here are some suggestions. Referrals are your best friends. 68% of SMB and customers say referrals are the most influential factors in choosing an IT provider. Use social media for marketing your business. Prospective customers should be reoriented. Find the right partner for your business. Pick a vertical niche and stick with it. Get involved in your local Chamber of Commerce, networking groups, and volunteer organizations to build your business network. Recurring revenue for managed service providers. Typically, recurring revenue is a portion of a company's revenue that continues regularly. In contrast to one-time sales, recurring revenue is reliable and consistent. Subscription-based as a service model like software as a service SaaS or device as a service DaaS are top-rated regular revenue models. Managed service providers charge a monthly fee for fully managing customers' IT environment. These customers might also have access to productivity suites such as Office 365 or Google Workspace, for which you charge a monthly fee as well. These are examples of subscriptions based on products and services that generate recurring revenue. Business productivity suites are available for a monthly fee with Office 365. The Azure fee is a monthly payment for cloud computing. Fixed IT fee charges customers one flat rate per month for fully managed their IT environment, network monitoring, business productivity suites, break, fix, SOC, help desk, etc. The recurring revenue model is prevalent in subscription-based as a service model like software as a service SaaS and device as a service DaaS. For example, As a managed service provider, you may charge monthly fee to customers when fully managing their IT infrastructure. These customers may also have access to productivity suites such as Office 365, Google Workspace, for which you charge a monthly fee. You can generate recurring revenue by offering subscription-based products. And services. Subscription-based businesses can offer more comprehensive customer solution than one and done drive-by sales pitch. Additionally, the way sales representatives sell solutions has changed, requiring a new incentive model that ensures the value of the customer relationship is tracked and measured. Conclusion: in this highly competitive market, you need to differentiate your company from all of the others by operating efficiently and cost-effectively. Taking this approach to staying competitive and succeeding in the market is essential today. Outsourcing your managed services allows you to focus on your core business, such as direction, strategies, and growth, instead of having to worry about administrative tasks. Furthermore, you will be able to manage your business to the best of your ability, with enhanced accuracy, reduced liability, and cost saving. That's all for today's episode. Links to everything will be in the description below. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. It will notify you about our new content that we share with you every week. This will help us to produce great content for our professional audience. Let us know if there is something that you would like us to discuss in future episodes. Please click the link in the show notes and you can address your questions directly to me. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.